Let's install a BTS-V3 Gold on a Bigsby B70. After loosening the strings, we'll remove the spring so that we'll be able to remove this axle and get the roller off. Using a set of snap ring pliers, and now these are available from BricksBiggsFix.com, we'll remove this snap ring on this side of the guitar and push the axle out that way. If your snap ring does not have the holes straight up, you can simply rotate it to where the holes in the snap ring are straight up. Insert your pliers into the holes, squeeze gently, and you should be able to grab that snap ring right off of there. You can take a small screwdriver or the 9/64 Allen wrench you're going to need for the installation of the BiggsFix. Just use the end of it and push the shaft out. Grab it from this side. Relieve a little bit of tension by pushing down on the roller. And one of the plastic bushings comes out already. So all you have to do is take this one out. Like so. Seeing kinks in the strings where the roller was is a good indication that you're going to see some pretty good results by adding the BiggsFix. The newest version of V3s come with the metal bushings now. So with this installed, you've removed all of the plastic that was on the original B70. We're going to take the screws out and stick them in those holes. And then, using the 9/64 Allen wrench, you're going to set that down between the castings and just get it started on both sides. That's one side, then the other. Then we'll snug it up. Does not have to be super tight. Just snug. Same with the other side. Reinstall the spring. Get your strings lined back up. Now it's ready for tuning.